build new signed released APK from Google Studio Android app. So I'm simply going to open my Android app for you to see. So this is the app icon. Let me tap on it for you to see. And this is my Android app. Okay. And what I am going to do is that I have added a feature. And then because I have added a feature, I have to rebuild the release APK right inside Google Studio. So I have built it successfully. And then when I come here, this is the app released APK. So when I tap on it, I have the option to come in and install it. Okay, I don't have to uninstall the previous version. What I have to do is simply come in and tap on the install. It is going to install and then upgrade it to the new version. So as you can see, that's successfully installed. I can simply come in and tap on the opened, and as you can see, my app has successfully upgraded to the latest version. And you can see this is the feature that I added to my Android app, and it is working perfectly fine. I did it all inside Google Studio, and I'm going to show you step by step right inside this video how you can also update your app, add a feature to it, and then after that build the release APK. All that you have to do is simply go to Google, from Google search, come and then search for Google Studio just like this, and then hit enter. When it comes, come and select the official site of Google Studio by clicking on the first one. It's going to bring you right here inside the Google Studio platform. All that you have to do is simply come here to where we have the build under it. You are going to see that we have my apps here. Come and then click on my apps. So all the apps that you have built, the Android app, Google Studio is going to show up just like this. Come and then select the one that you want to add a feature and then build the release APK for. So I'm going to select this one for this tutorial. So after clicking on it, it is going to open just like this. And as you can see, this is the app icon. Let me tap on it for you to see. And the Android app has opened perfectly fine, and then it is working perfectly fine. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add a feature to the Android app. So all that you have to do is simply come here to the chat, that is the Gemini chat, and then come and ask you to add whatever feature that you want to add to your app. And then after that, come and then click on the send prompt. Okay, so Google Studio is simply going to add that feature to the Android app. So as you can see, I successfully added the feature that I asked you to add, and that's added it to the Android app. So let's test this. All that you have to do is simply come and then tap on the app icon, and then you can simply go ahead and then confirm that that feature exists. And this is the feature, and then I have confirmed that it is working perfectly fine. So you have to test it after adding it. Okay, so it is showing perfectly fine. And then all that you have to do now is to simply come here to where we have the chat, that is the Gemini chat. And you have to come and then give it the prompt to prepare and then build the new release APK for you. And for that, I have a link in the video description. Okay, just look down there, click on it, and it's going to bring you right here to this prompt. Okay, and then all that you have to do is to simply come here. You see that we have Google Studio Gemini prompt, that is to build the release APK, the updated one. All that you have to do is simply come here to where it says prompt start from here. Come and then highlight it, okay, from the top to the bottom, the whole prompt just like this. And after that, come and put the mouse on it, right click on it, and then come and click on copy to copy the whole prompt. So after copying your prompt, simply come back to Google Studio, the chat box, and then come and paste in the prompt just like this. So after pasting in the prompt, you don't have to do anything. All that you have to do is simply come here and then come and click on send prompt. So when I click on it, Google Studio is going to receive the prompt, and it is going to build everything for you. Okay, so as you can see, that successfully upgraded our app version from 1 to 2, and then the version name 2, it has also upgraded it as well. So now all that you have to do is to simply push it to GitHub. Okay, so when you look at the top right hand corner, you see that you have these options right here. Simply come here to the publish and come and click on the publish. And then over here from the top here, you're going to see that you have GitHub right here. Okay, simply come in and click on GitHub. And when I click on it, it is automatically going to show the repo. That is the one that I used to build the first release APK. And all that you have to do is simply come down here, and then you are going to go through these steps. We have the step 1, okay, and then we also have the step 2. So first, come and then click on the step 1 to push the changes to Google Studio. And we are going to get this pop-up, okay, there is nothing wrong with your app. All that you have to do is simply come here to where it says resolve conflict, and then come and click on it. So when I click on it, over here, you have to take a very good attention, okay. So as you can see, you have the app/build.gradle.kts, okay, and then we have two of them. We have the one of Google Studio, okay, and then we also have the one of GitHub, okay. So over here, it is all about the app version. Okay, so as you can see from here, our app version, the one in Google Studio has been upgraded to 2. That is the version code. And then when you come here to, we have the version name. It has also been upgraded to 1.1. Okay, but we have the old one in GitHub. So as you can see from here, GitHub 1, that is the old app version. Since we are updating our app, we have to select that of the Google Studio one. Okay, we have to keep that one. So make sure that you select the Google Studio new version by simply coming to click on keep. So when you click on keep, that is it. It is going to resolve the conflict that showed up. Okay, so as you can see from here, we have successfully resolved it, and all that you have to do is to simply come here to where you have the finish and come and click on finish. So when you click on finish, that is it. It's going to go ahead and then push the code to Google Studio. And then as you can see, it's going to show something like this. Just ignore it and then come here. We are done with the step 1. So we have to go to step 2. So simply come here and come and click on push changes to GitHub. Okay, that is the step 2. Click on it and it's going to push all the changes to GitHub successfully. So the next thing you have to do is simply come in and click on check sync status. Okay, so when you click on it, it's going to show just like this. I successfully sync it to GitHub, and that is good. So all that you have to do is simply come in and click on the close, and then all that you have to do is simply go back to GitHub, or to go to GitHub. If you haven't logged in already, go to Google, then from Google search, come and search for GitHub just like this, and then simply hit on enter. So when you hit on enter, come and then select the official site of GitHub by clicking on the first one. So when you click on it, it's going to open your GitHub repos just like this, the home page. And when you look through, you have to come and then select the one that we just pushed to GitHub, and then this is it. Okay, this is my app. I'm going to click on it. So after clicking on it, it's going to open your repo just like this. You don't have to do anything. All that you have to do is simply come here to where you have the actions and come and click on the actions. Okay, and you're going to see from here we have build updated signed release APK right here. Simply come and then click on it. Okay, so when you come and then click on build the updated one, is going to bring you right here to the workflow. You see that I don't have any workflow here. Simply come here to where we have the run workflow. We have the down arrow here. Come and click on it, and then make sure that main is selected and come and click on run workflow. So when I click on it, it is simply going to show the status as queued. Okay, all that you have to do is simply come and then click on this refresh icon to refresh the page. So when you click on it, it is automatically going to go ahead and ensure that it is in progress, and it's going to build your released APK for you. So as you can see, it is building. Just give it some time. It is going to take some time for it to finish the build. And then when it is done, it's going to show success just like this, and then one artifact just like this. Okay. One thing is that you see that from here, it has built it finished, but you will not see the artifacts right here. So to see the artifact, what you have to do is simply come and then click on this back arrow. Okay, so when I click on it, come and then reopen it again by simply clicking on it, and it's going to open. And when you scroll down, you are going to see that we have the artifacts displayed right here. So from the artifact, you are going to see our updated signed release APK right here, and this is the size showing that it was built successfully. And you can simply come and then click on the download to download your signed release APK. So from the download over here, as you can see, it is downloading. Just give it time for it to finish download. You can come and then click on show in folder, and it is going to show your zip file just like this. All that you have to do is simply come and then extract it or unzip it. So when you right click on it, come and then click on extract all, and make sure that this box is checked. Okay, so that it will open it when it's finished extracting, and then simply come and then click on the extract. So it's going to extract and it's going to show just like this. So we have our release APK right here. Let me come and then click on the view and come and click on large icon so that you see it right here. And as you can see, there is the file size, and it is perfectly fine. So let's take it to the phone. Okay, and I'm going to first open the old app for you to see. Okay, so this is my old app. Let me tap on the app icon for you to see, and my app has opened perfectly fine, and it is working perfectly fine. So when I scroll down, you see that this is where the app ends. Okay, it is not having the new feature, so I have to install the new release that I have just built. Okay, so I have simply sent it to my phone. So I'm simply going to go here to where I have the file manager, tap on the file manager. Okay, and then simply come here to the all files, tap on it, come here to where I have the internal storage, tap on the internal storage. And when I scroll down, you're going to see that I have my app release APK right here. All that I have to do is to simply come in and tap on it. I don't have to uninstall the old app. Okay, it is going to update it for me. So as you can see, it is going to simply update it, and I'm not going to lose anything, any data at all. All that I have to do is simply come here and then tap on the install, okay, so that it will install for me. So let's tap on the install, and as you can see, Google is going to show you this. That is Preputer is going to show you this. Don't worry, simply come and tap on show more, and then simply come and then tap on install anyway. Okay, don't worry, it's going to install perfectly fine. So as you can see, it has successfully installed without me uninstalling the old one, and then I can tap on open, and as you can see, my Android app has successfully upgraded to the latest version, and it's working perfectly fine. And when I scroll through, you see that this is the future that I just added, okay, and it's working perfectly fine. So I can simply come in and test it for you to see. So I'm simply going to select a day, and I'm going to select Sunday, okay, and after selecting it, as you can see, that's giving me the meaning of the day. So that is it. The app is working perfectly fine. You have successfully been able to upgrade it and also build the app released APK. One awesome aspect of it is that the app icon also did not change. Okay, so let's go and then see the app icon. So as you can see, this is the app icon. Let me tap on it for you to see it did not change, and it has opened my Android app and it is working perfectly fine. Okay, so this is actually how to build a new sign release APK after updating your Android app in Google Studio. Like the video and see you in my next video.